Hello, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create something kind of like this. Here's another example. So all I did was take an object. For this one in particular, I did a CD, and I traced the shape over and over. And by overlapping it, I created some new, fun, interesting shapes that I went back and then colored all individually and different. So that's what we'll be doing. You can use anything you can find around your house. Like I said, I used an old CD. You can use something square like a box lid. Anything you can find will work just fine. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so all you will need is a piece of paper, something to trace. I think I'm going to actually try to use two objects just so you guys can see the variety. And I'm going to start off using a dark colored marker. You can use a pen, pencil, whatever you want to use, but I'm going to start with a marker just so you can really see it. Alright, so all you're going to do when you trace, you want to be very careful that this isn't moving. So I'm going to hold it kind of like this so that my hand's not in the way. And I'm going to carefully come around as far as I can, and then I'll go back the other way. And there I have my first shape. And now I'm going to go ahead and overlap. And don't be afraid to make your tracing object go off the page. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. So it's just part of the circle. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3 shapes. So we went from just, two, I only used this twice, but I got 3 shapes out of it, which is really cool just because I overlapped it. So with the CD, what's cool is I can use this little inside part as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do that a few times. There we go. Now we have quite a few different shapes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 shapes. Cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and just use this, it's like the lid from a box. And I will go like this. So same thing, you just want to go kind of slow so that you don't lose track of your object as you're tracing. There we go. Alright, so you can just kind of overlap, fill up the page. Oops. And if you need to go back over them, just to even them out, that is totally fine. So I'm going to make this one a little thicker. Cool. So you can always make some of them thick, leave some of them thin. Up to you. I'm going to go ahead and continue adding shapes to this, and then I will show you the next step in how we're going to color it.